Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm showing you how to fade clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have two clips, they're completely unrelated, but that doesn't matter. So the manual way of doing it is to overlap the clips like this. Okay, as you can see, then head up onto your top clip, get your timeline to where the two clips meet, and put this little keyframe, add a keyframe for opacity when it's at 100, okay? Then move your timeline to the end of where the two clips meet and simply change opacity to 0, okay? So you'll notice it goes from 100 to 0 in between these two keyframes. Now, let's show you what that does. Okay, see, you get a nice little blend, okay? But let's be honest, that is a complete waste of time. Don't be doing that, okay? There's a much better way. Either you can go into your effects tab and just look for a transition that way, or what you can do is you can put these two clips side by side, drag your cursor so it makes this little thing here, this little, I don't know what the name is, but this red little thing. Right click, apply default transition, and then you have a cross dissolve automatically put in. Much easier, much faster. That is how you fade clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.